Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce software development costs with Toptal, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin reducing software development costs with Toptal, first, understand what Toptal is. Toptal connects businesses with top freelance talent across various fields, including software development. Next, identify your project requirements clearly. Determine the scope of work, budget, and timeline for your software development project. After establishing requirements, create a detailed job description. This should outline the skills, experience level, and technology stack needed. Once the job description is ready, visit the Toptal website to sign up. Complete the onboarding process to set up your account. Next, submit your project requirements through Toptal's platform. Toptal will then match you with relevant candidates. Review the profiles of the matched freelancers carefully. Pay attention to their skills, experience, and client feedback. Shortlist a few candidates that meet your needs. Schedule interviews with these candidates to assess their fit. During interviews, ask about their previous work and how they tackle challenges. Once you find the right freelancer, discuss the project details and agree on the terms. Now, outline a clear communication plan to keep everyone aligned. Establish milestones and deadlines to ensure the project stays on track. Use Toptal's platform for all project management and communication. This helps maintain transparency and organization throughout the project. As development progresses, provide regular feedback to the freelancer. Encourage collaboration and open dialogue to address any issues early. Once the project is completed, review the deliverables thoroughly. Ensure they meet your original requirements and quality standards. Finally, maintain a relationship with the freelancer for future projects. This ensures you have reliable talent ready when new needs arise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.